Flu cases continue to be on the rise across our region. Since Christmas, weekly numbers have routinely been in the hundreds to thousands of cases reported just in Allegheny County. And as Chris Hoffman reports today, it can open the door for other illnesses too.
There's been bumps and spikes through flu season so far, but it's been on the rise the past couple weeks according to Allegheny County data. And it's at its highest levels since December of 2023.
Just last week, the number reached more than 1,000 cases, up a little bit more than 500 reported cases at the beginning of January in Allegheny County. Across the state, that number jumps to 22,000 this week.
I'd say this year is probably not that much different. It's just happening at such a big, quick impact.
Family medicine physician Dr. Natalie Gentili has had her fair share of patients come through the door with the virus. She and her family also wrestled with it, and it gave them a rough time.
We were out for several weeks with the flu between myself and my kids.
The variant differs from year to year, and that can lead to a wide range of effectiveness for the vaccine. It can be anywhere from 35 to 75% effective. According to AHN's Dr. Joe Arakri, we won't know until the end of the season how it did this year.
Even if you do get the flu and you had the flu shot, your symptoms could be significantly less than would be not getting the flu shot at all.
The contagious disease comes at a time where children are dealing with RSV, norovirus, and the common cold plowing through schools. So it's best to keep any child that's sick home, and anyone who was sick shouldn't go back to work or school until they are fever-free for at least 24 hours.
With all these different viruses and bacteria going around, it's going to be a very interesting next 6 to 8 weeks for a cold and flu season.
Right now, hospitals are seeing an uptick, but nothing overwhelming. The whammy with the flu is it opens the door to getting sick with other illnesses, like ear or sinus infections.
You know, the flu really makes you more susceptible to getting sicker down the line.
Now, if you're still interested in your flu shot this season, that is still a possibility for you, and there are several locations still doing that. We have a map of their locations on our website as well as our app. In Harmer, Chris Hoffman, KDKA-TV News.